Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Chrome like Instagram in school Chromebook. So make sure to go to this website. First of all, you can just copy the link, like make sure to go to this address, and once you go to this address, make sure to note down that address and you will be at this interface. You will be seeing this kind of interface. So once you see this interface, so just click on search something, and once you go to search something, make sure that you have a good internet connection, because this is a kind of proxy and it might slower your internet speed. So make sure to have a good internet. And once you are at this page, just go to the search bar and search your instagram.com/login. And once you enter the address, press enter, and after that it will basically take you to the Instagram login page. Now I have a slower internet connection right now, so that is why it is not being loaded. Otherwise, if you have a good internet connection, you can just simply go to the Google search bar inside this section, and you can simply open any of the website, either it is Instagram or any other website. You can use it and like open this one inside your school Chromebook. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.